Hi there. First of all, thank you for checking my website. Really appreciate it. Well, a little bit about myself, first of all. So, I'm Gagan and I have done my hotel management degree. After doing my hotel management degree, I work in like hotels for 80 hours, like 65 hours sometime. As you know, there's no times for the hotels, so I have to work quite a lot. So, because I was working quite a lot, so I actually get so much stress that I just couldn't sleep nights, and my routine was different because I was working in the mornings, I was working in the evenings, I was working in split shifts. As you know, it is very different to the normal hours. And so what happens, because I was doing this all the time and my health started declining, that is what makes me worried. But there was no way out that time. So now the things change. I got married in 2012. It's been more than 8 years now. I'm married. So when my wife came to New Zealand, I was still working 80 hours, 65 hours because I really want to provide a good for my wife, my family, make her happy. That's what the desire is. I understand, you can also understand if where I'm coming from. And so I wanted to provide the best for her. But the thing was I couldn't provide time, quality time, because I was working so much in the mornings and the afternoons, split shifts, just because I want to save some money. And she started complaining about like, why do you work so much and it's not good, take a break, 80 hours is too much, put it 65 hours. But I was like, I need to do it at this stage. So but my desire was to get start online business, like a part-time side hustle where I can work full-time and I can also do my business like part-time as well. The good thing is that I can manage my own hours and I can work anytime on my day offs, or even in the future I can also do full time. So I was really interested on that one. But internally I wanted to provide to my family in a very very good way. Just want to really work hard and wanted to make her happy. That was my internal desire as a family man. I've got a daughter as well, so that is what my internal desire was. Now the thing is, like, I didn't know where to start. People think about it like, what do we do, what skills needed to start your online business or a side hustle, and where do you go? You need a proper training, skills to do that, because everyone needs that to start off with. Like, if the base is not strong, how can you progress? So that is where I was. And so I also start doubting myself quite a lot as well. Now the good thing happened when I was blessed with a baby girl, and I wanted to devote my time to her, to my family, and quality time. As you know, when we work full time, don't have enough time to spend with the family. So at that time I wanted to determine to I can do some sort of side business as well as a job. But the side business, like 2 days I'm doing it, it's not gonna affect my social life. So that was like something which I have on my mind. Now again, the thing is like, where do you start? Right, so that is when the things happen. I watched a video of Russell Brunson, and he talked about the basic skills required for starting a business. And there's a basic skills required, and I was so happy because I could relate to him as well, the way he has gone through the struggles in life, the obstacles, and I can feel the same thing as well. I really understand you also know about it, what I mean. And I'm not a technical person. I don't know how to do technical stuff, and I need something which is very good and flexible, and I can learn the basic skills to develop myself as a person and also do something on my own. So then there was a challenge, one funnel away challenge, which I did. That was a basic point, because you are trained by Russell Brunson, Stephen, Julie, and they're the best at the moment in marketing, and they train you the basics of how to set up your business, the basic skills. And it's good to learn from the best of the best, right? It's otherwise you just can't learn, so you have to be the best of the best. So that was a turning point in my life where I just wanted to do it, and I did the challenge for 30 days, and I am so much grateful for that I did it. Now, if really want to encourage you that if you really want to set up a new business or anything, you want a part-time or a side hustle, this is for you. As you can see that Russell Brunson is offering so much bonuses, and I'm also, because I want to make you successful, see you successful all the way, I'm also offering my bonuses on top of it. So it's Russell Brunson's bonuses. You can see and also my bonuses, which is around 4K. And because I know what I have gone through, and I know exactly you might be going the same thing as well, so I really want to help in that case, and that's why I created my own bonuses as well on top of rest of the bonuses. So it is very important, I guess, if you really want serious about it and take the advantage of it. It is not much time, because it started in after 15 days, and then so on and so on. I really encourage to do that. And once you learn how to do your basic skills, you can develop so much, because you can just like make your own products or passionate about anything. But the basics needs to learn first, right? So that's where we are. So please do that. And I've got bonuses like you can join my private Facebook group where I trained as well personally, and so I won't leave your hand, I would be there as well with you. And I'm also giving my Trello board, which is organized. You can see the notes I have made, all that from my heart, just to make sure you are there. So do that right now. Click on the button there, and you would definitely be able to do this. And once you join my Facebook group, I'm always there as well. So that's why I'm going to encourage you, and do that if you're really serious about it. And I'll really see you in my Facebook group. Then let me know. And you take care and take action. That's very important. That's the important thing, to take action, and take action now. Okay, thanks watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.